DPWH ang Davao City Bypass Construction Project. Layunin ng 2028 kumpleto ang Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, ay nasa sabik na ipahayag ang makabuluhang pag-unlad para sa Davao City Bypass Construction Project nito. Ayon kay DPWH Senior Undersecretary Emil K. Sadain, ang Unified Project Management Office, UPMO, Roads Management Cluster ay bilateral na pinamumunuan ni Project Director Benjamin A. Bautista ay naglalayong mas mabilis na makumpleto at mapabuti ang infrastruktura sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabilis ng mga aktibidad sa paggawa ng kalsada upang mapakinabangan sa paborableng kondisyon ng panahon sa Davao Region. Ang matagumpay na pagkumpleto ng proyektong pang-imprastrukto sa 2028 o mas maaga ay nakasalalay sa pagkuha ng mga kinakailangang pondo ng gobyerno. Sa sandaling makuha ang kinakailangang suportang pinansyal, ang proyekto ay maaaring magpatuloy ayon sa plano, na tinitiyak na ang mga mapagkukunan ay magagamit para sa lahat ng pagpapatupad ng konstruksyon. Ang Bypass Road Project na may kabuoang haba na 45.5 kilometro ay magsisimula sa Barangay Sirwan, Toril, Davao City at magtatapos sa Barangay JP Laurel, Panabo City ay isang transformative initiatives na naglalayong maibsan ang pagsisikip ng trapiko at mapahusay ang koneksyon para sa mga residente at commuters sa lugar. Pagbubutihin ng Davao City Bypass Construction Project ang transport logistics na may karaniwang oras ng paglalakbay na 1 oras at 44 na minuto sa pamamagitan ng Maharlika Highway na gagawing 49 na minuto. Sa kanyang ulat sa inspection kay Kalihim Manuel M. Bonoan, sinabi ni Senior Undersecretary Sadain na ang konstruksyon ng 10.7 kilometrong Contract Package I-1 ay mahusay na isinasagawa sa 44.8%, na may mga pangunahing milestone na nakamit sa konstruksyon ng Twin Mountain Road Tunnel component na malapit na. Pinangangasiwaan ni Project Manager Joselito B. Reyes, ang Contract Package I-1, na may mga pondo mula sa isang loan agreement sa pagitan ng Government of the Philippines, GOP, at ng Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, ay kilala sa pagkakaroon nito ng kauna-unahang long-distance mountain tunnel sa Pilipinas noong Davao City sa 2.3 kilometro. Ang makabagong pamamaraan at napapanatiling kasanayan ng paghuhukay ng tunnel ay nasa 79% na may 1,774 na metro mula sa 2,240 metro para sa pahilaga at 71% na may 1,579 na metro mula sa 2,249 na metro para sa timog at sumusulong sa waterproofing at tunnel concrete arch lining works. Samantala, naobserbahan ni Senior Undersecretary Sadain ang malaking progreso sa pagtatayo ng ito, tulay na may kabuoang haba na 1.26 kilometro sa ilalim ng Contract Package I-1 na pinondohan ng GOP sa kanyang inspeksyon noong ika-25 ng Enero, 2024 na kasama si Project Director Bautista at UPMO Project Manager Luke Pahariliaga. Sa pinagsama-samang accomplishment na 27%. Ang Contract Package I-1 na sinimula noong Enero taong 2023 ay may kabuoang haba na 2.54 kilometro na binubuo ng 1.28 kilometro ng 4 na lane road section at ang 7 tulay sa Santa 29 dagdag 700 ng Davao City Bypass Construction Project, Hilagang Silangan bahagi ng Malagamut Road, Barangay Indangan at pagkatapos ay magpapatuloy sa direksyong Hilaga-Hilagang Silangan na magtatapos sa Santa 32 dagdag 240 sa Mudiang Road, Barangay Madang. Ongoing din ang Contract Package II na may kabuoang haba na 3.52 kilometro na binubuo ng 2.5 kilometro ng 4 na lane road section at 7 tulay na may kabuoang haba na 1.015 kilometro at 3 overpass bridges. Ang contract package na ito na nagsimula noong Agosto taong 2023 sa ilalim ng pangangasiwa ni UPMO Project Manager Ricarte Manialac ay nagsisimula sa Santa 32 dagdag 240 Hilagang Silangan bahagi ng Mudiang Road, Barangay Mudiang at pagkatapos ay magpapatuloy sa direksyong Hilagang Silangan na magtatapos sa Santa 35 dagdag 760 at Crossing Mahayag Road, Barangay Mahayag. Ibinunyag din ni Senior Undersecretary Sadain na sa isang visionary move ng DPWH UPMO Operations Ang engineering facilities ay maaaring gawing dynamic learning spaces na nilagyan ng maluluwag na silid-aralan para i-turnover sa Department of Education kapag natapos na ang proyekto. Isang kabuoang 60 karaniwang silid-aralan ang itatayo, na tinitiyak na ang esensya ng inobasyon na likas sa proyekto ng infrastruktura sa kalsada.
DPWH accelerates Davao City Bypass Construction Project. Aims for 2028 completion. The Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, is excited to announce significant progress for its Davao City Bypass Construction Project. According to DPWH Senior Undersecretary Emil K. Sedain, the Unified Project Management Office, UPMO, Roads Management Cluster I, Bilateral, headed by Project Director Benjamin A. Bautista is aiming for faster completion and improved infrastructure by accelerating the road construction activities to capitalize on favorable weather conditions in the Davao region. The successful completion of this infrastructure flagship project by 2028 or earlier is contingent upon securing necessary government funds. Once the required financial support is obtained, the project can proceed as planned, ensuring that resources are available for all construction implementation. The bypass road project, with a total length of 45.5 kilometers, will begin in Barangay Sarawan, Toril, Davao City and will end at Barangay JP Laurel, Panabo City. Is a transformative initiative that aims to alleviate traffic congestion and enhance connectivity for residents and commuters in the area. Davao City Bypass Construction Project will improve the transport logistics with usual travel time of 1 hour and 44 minutes via Maharlika Highway to be reduced to 49 minutes. In his inspection report to Secretary Manuel M. Banoan, Senior Undersecretary Sedain said that the construction of the 10.7 km contract package I-1 is well underway at 44.8%. With key milestones achieved in the construction of the Twin Mountain Road Tunnel component being closely supervised by Project Manager Joselito B. Reyes. The contract package I-1, with funds from a loan agreement between the Government of the Philippines, GOP, and the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, is known for its having the first ever long-distance mountain tunnel in the Philippines in Davao City at 2.3 km. Bridges with an aggregate length of 1.26 kilometers under the contract package 2-1 funded by the contract package 2-1 during his inspection on January 25. During his inspection on January 25, Project Director Bautista and UPMO Project Manager Lope UPMO Project Manager with a cumulative bridges at Santa 29 plus 700 of the Davao City Bypass Construction Project, northeastern side of Malagamit Road, Barangay Indangan, and will then proceed to a north-northeast direction ending at Santa 32 plus 240 at Mudang Road, Barangay Mudang. Bridges with an aggregate length of 1.015 kilometers and 3 overpass bridges. This contract package, which started in August 2023 under supervision of UPMO Project Manager Ricarte Minyalik, begins at Santa 32 plus 240 northeastern side of Mudang Road, Barangay Mudang, and will then proceed to a northeast direction ending at Santa 35 plus 760 at crossing Mahayag Road, Barangay Mahayag. Senior Undersecretary Sedain also disclosed that in a visionary move of DPWH UPMO operations, engineering facilities can be converted into dynamic learning spaces equipped with spacious classrooms for turnover to the Department of Education once the project is completed. A total of 60 standard classrooms will be built, ensuring that the essence of innovation inherent in road infrastructure project is integrated into the educational sector.